A couple of years ago, my car was already too slow, so I decided to do something about it. After drawing and printing, I made something that added a few horses, at least two, one in the front and one in the back. The front emblem consists of two parts, both printed in PETG. After burning off the leftover retraction strings and glued one part to the other, I pressed it together for a few minutes using hammer. The original emblem was clipped in. For the Mustang badge, I used 3M tape after properly degreasing the surface. After that, it was just a matter of sticking the badge onto the grille. The front turned out like in the attached photo. Let me know if it's cringe or classy. That left the rear. Just like before, I glued the horse on. Then cut off the excess double-sided tape that had been attached to the bottom earlier. All that was left was removing the protective film, and it was ready to stick on. Before doing that, though, I had to remove the old badge. I tested how different colors look, which is why a different one is shown. After peeling it off, I degreased the surface and stuck on the new one. I only have a photo of this color version from the car wash, but it should be enough. If you have a Fiesta, there's a link to the STL model in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.